my loves, we are officially a vlogging girlfriend. I'm actually on my way. I'm rushing to go to the hair salon, not the hair salon, my nail appointment. I have my nail appointment at 4 o'clock. It is 3:50 right now. Probably not gonna make it, but I'm hoping that it's like, you know, they'll take me and it wouldn't be too much of an issue. Also, I don't know, this tripod situation that I got from Amazon is not cutting it. I really need to go and buy something better because this one is just really annoying me, and it kind of broke with me kind of situating it today. But yeah, on a different note, I am also going to be re-dyeing my hair. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know the whole situation with my hair, and it's honestly, I have been meaning to go and re-dye it for a while. So I'm officially going to, but like I was saying, I am going to be redoing my hair. Me and my sister-in-law are going to be going in a few days. I'm also going to be vlogging it. I mean, at this point, I don't know if I'm going to be vlogging on this camera or just on my phone, because my phone would be easier, and this tripod situation is just not really working. So I'm literally holding it right now. But I'm gonna start vlogging back when we get to the nail salon. I'm doing something really simple and nothing crazy per usual, but I'll see you guys there. Okay, we just got here. I'm probably again going to record on my phone. I'm running late. I'm like 13 minutes late. I think we'll be fine. Hopefully I don't have to wait too long. But let me just say, this tripod just irritated the hell out of me. Like, I literally just pulled it off of my windshield and like threw it in the back seat. Girl, so annoying. But anyways, we're going into the nail salon. See you later. We are back in business. Just walking to my car. That wasn't too bad. I'm thinking if I should go to the supermarket, because I low-key want to make myself the Kani salad. I'm thinking I'm gonna do that. I am literally holding this camera. But I want to talk to you guys. So, what was it, 2 days ago or a day ago? 2 days ago, we went to Sojo Spa, which is in Jersey. We had so much fun. Honestly, if you are in like the New York area and you want to go, I highly recommend going. All of the pools are heated. We have the pools on the rooftop with the beautiful view and all of that jazz. It is really nice. This is really hard to hold this and to drive at the same time, let me just say. But it was really nice because, again, with everything with COVID and us not being able to really, you know, travel, and it being so freaking cold here in New York, it was a really nice getaway. It almost made you feel like you were on vacation in a pool. The only thing that was honestly missing was a drink in my hand, but it was really nice. If you guys are debating about whether or not to go to Sojo, because whether or not it's like worth it, it totally is. Go, girlfriend, go. You're gonna have a bomb ass time. Take your man, take your mom, take whoever. Just don't do any of the treatments. Personally, I feel like it's not worth it. I haven't done it, but I feel like it's just way too expensive for what it is, you know? Okay, just got to the supermarket. Can this lighting get any worse, honestly? But I'm gonna go in and try to get the stuff for the Kani salad, which is literally just like cucumber and like the imitation crab meat. And then the like Chinese hot sauce, I think it's called. But we'll figure it out. I'm surprised they're back here though. That's amazing. She's on vacation. That Connie salad was okay. Would I make it again? No. Would I buy it again? Probably. Like, I would go somewhere and get that made. Not really my thing. I also understand why when you buy the Connie salad, they give you a little bit. They don't give you a lot because it's not the kind of salad that you want to sit down and have like as a meal. It's not that kind of salad. It was good, but then like a quarter of the way in, it was just like becoming too much. So yeah, it was like more of like a 4 out of a 10 for me. But I am thinking about either making a iced coffee for myself, and I honestly just want to shower and chill out. I'll probably do like a somewhat of a glam tonight, pre-record that for you guys for Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I am getting ready here. Well, I'm already ready, but I have a very exciting meeting, so I'm just kind of waiting for everyone to kind of hop on the meeting, but I really quickly want to show you guys. You'll probably see it in like a fashion video that I'm going to be doing, probably filming that in a couple of days. But this bodysuit, oh my god, it's so comfortable. Let me show you guys. I love this bodysuit, and I'm literally not wearing a bra. Like, it compresses your boob, but not to the point where like it looks like you don't have boobs, you know what I mean? Like, it just kind of holds everything in really nicely. Really like this, and it is like a thong like bodysuit situation at the bottom here. It is on Amazon. I'm gonna try to link it down below. I bought it in this blue color as well as black. Love it. It's also gonna be like great for work. But anyways, let me get ready for this meeting. We're looking real professional but cute at the same time. Everyone's kind of hopping on right now, so I'll talk to you guys later. I am so excited. I can't wait to share with you guys. Hi, I'm probably the worst vlogger. It's literally 2 days after the last time you guys saw me, but I am in literally full glam. I just did, oh, that is very, very loud. But I just did a live on Instagram using the brand new XOXO Cosmetics and Samantha March collab. She did a palette as well as 3 glosses. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with this look. Can we zoom you guys in so you guys can see what this looks like? So freaking pretty. So I'm probably gonna go and have some dinner. Don't know what I'm gonna eat yet. Maybe I'll do like a bacon, egg, and cheese. Why not? Why not? By the way, I don't eat pork. It's turkey bacon, if anyone is wondering. But yeah, I'm super excited to go do my hair. I haven't washed my hair in so long because it doesn't make sense for me to wash it, because I'm just gonna go there and they're gonna obviously wash it a few times with all of the dye and all of that stuff. So I just figured I'm gonna go in looking like a hot mess and come out looking like a bad bitch. That's the vibe. But yeah. Bye.
Right? No, not me.
So I'm hoping that my friend is getting married.
I am so excited. So I ended up going like mahogany because it just looked better, the swatch. My sister-in-law is going silver. I can't wait.
When I was younger, it was darker. My hair was darker.
So pretty. So this is Camilla. She is my hairstylist, the only person I trust at this point. I'm gonna have her explain everything that she did with my hair because I'm not gonna know how to explain it, and she'll do a better job.
Okay, so she has a natural level 3 base. It's pretty close to black, even though it's not. So we did try to lift her with color. It's lifting with color. Color doesn't lift color. So we went with this beautiful mahogany brown shade for her low light color. And to break it up, we went through with some balayage pieces, not too heavily painted, just hand painted. She didn't want a traditional money piece in the front, but I still went up higher around her face just because I know she does style it beautifully. And we went with this beautiful chestnut brown shade. You want to show them off?
Yeah.
To go in between. So little subtleties, because brunettes don't cascade reflect light as much as blondes do, so you should have those little dimensional pieces. It kind of just brightens everything up and makes it a little more interesting and dimensional.
Yeah, I really like it. I feel like myself now.
Yep. And I teased even the lowlights, so she's not going to have a demarcation line.
Which is what I had before.
Exactly.
Yeah, I had that before. But yeah, we're just waiting. She's going silver. Hi, my loves. So it is literally the next day. I literally love my hair. It looks a little crazy now because it was actually pouring rain yesterday when we got out of the salon. We were literally there for 8 hours. Like, we got there a little before 12. We didn't leave there till, like, I don't even know. We were there literally for 8 hours, like after 8. But that always happens. Like, honestly, every single time we've gone there, which has been 3 different occasions now, we're always literally the last people to leave, because when we go, we don't ever do like a really light kind of service. We're always like there for a few good hours. But I'm gonna go recurl my hair, probably do a live on Instagram. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys liked the vlog. Let me know in the comments down below if you like more vlogs. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. I'm a little unhealthy, I feel. But let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you want more vlogs, and I will do them for you. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Feelings that I have for you, baby boy, you know it's true. Never mind them, cause they just wanna jealous you. They just wanna